Hi, everyone. On behalf of ATOPP, we're excited to bring back our second year of an ancillary event known as our Pi Sessions. This was a huge success last year, and because of the great engagement and ask for it, we have brought it back this year. So, for those that are not familiar, what is a Pi? A Pi is a pre-approval information exchange, and it's designed to be a presentation to provide factual information in a non-promotional way about a new product or indication for healthcare decision makers that are largely involved in this conference. We know that a lot of manufacturers like myself have products coming up in the near future, and this is a way to give healthcare decision makers the information they need to plan ahead of discussing relevant information that equips them to be ready if and when the drug comes to market. So how do these sessions at work and who attends these sessions? We know each company has their own categorization of who qualifies to attend a Pi session. The ATOPP group works with you to build based on pre-selected criteria, and they embed those qualifications into a registration portal to assure that only healthcare decision makers that meet your company acceptable standards are allowed to participate. Additionally, there'll be check-ins at these sessions to validate that no pharmacy professional that has any affiliation with a pharmaceutical companies will be able to attend. So for example, MSLs that have PharmDs as backgrounds, even though they're a PharmD and clinician, because they have an affiliation with industry, they would not be allowed to be invited into this session. What's the flow of the session like? We know these sessions are exciting, but they can ultimately be designed at your company preference. Last year, we had some that focused on a presentation and did a didactic presentation on the Pi information, followed by a short Q&A. Alternatively, we can construct a small roundtable, small group discussion to allow more small discussion, and ATOPP is equipped to really make the experience the best overall for your company. Who will attend these sessions and how can ATOPP support attendance? So ATOPP really has prided itself on the strong relationships we have with experienced pharmacy or related professionals, and we've committed to working with the sponsoring company to bring stakeholders that you would like at the table. We recently kicked off an ambassador program that allows those that may be less familiar with ATOPP the ability to engage and bring key healthcare decision makers to your Pi sessions. This was an incredible event last year. We hope some of you will embark on this journey and continue to support these programs. Looking forward to seeing you this year in Utah.